G'day, welcome to another episode of On the Road with Wayne and Jeff. Today we're going to stop off at a little village called Hartley. It's an historic town just west of the Blue Mountains, west of Sydney, New South Wales. So come along and let's have a bit of a look around.
Don't you know I ain't got no friend? My dear mother left me when I was quite young. You know my dear mother left me when I was quite young.
Hartley was formerly a judicial and administrative centre that had a busy courthouse. The courthouse was built in 1837 and was designed by prominent New South Wales colonial architect Mortimer Lewis. The courthouse was operated for over 50 years and dealt with a constant stream of robbers, thieves and convicts. Although Hartley fell into disuse, it survived as a perfectly preserved village that is a superb example of 19th century architecture. Because of its heritage value, it is now preserved as a historic site administered by the National Parks and Wildlife Service of New South Wales, situated 10 kilometres west of Mount Victoria and 12 kilometres south of Lithgow. Let's have a bit of a look around. First of all, this is the courthouse. And this is the post office, which now also operates as an information centre. This is St Bernard's Presbytery. And next door is St Bernard's Roman Catholic Church. This is the old service station, even has the old golden police signs. And down here they've got a new walkway that goes down to the parklands at the Cox River. And this is the old Shamrock Inn. I bet many ales were drunk in there over the years. This is the Ivy Cottage. And this is the Talisman Gallery. All sorts of jewellery and other sort of metal objects that can be bought here. We're just driving up the top of this hill to have a look at St John the Evangelist Anglican Church. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully we'll bring you some more in the future. If you want to see more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you next time. Hooroo.